Peoples and ethnic diversity. Algeria isn't just the largest country in Africa, it's also one of the most diverse. Here, identity is a living blend of cultures Arab, Berber, Tuareg, and many others, each adding their own colors to Algeria's story. Most Algerians identify as Arab, speaking a local Arabic dialect known as Darja. It's the language of the market, the music, the streets, yet alongside it, the classical Arabic of the Quran remains deeply respected. But Algeria's roots go deeper. Long before Arab influence, the Berbers or Hamazic people shaped this land. From the Kabyle of the mountains to the Chaui of the Horus, the Mozabites of the Musa Valley, and the Chenoa of the coast, the Hamazic identity is everywhere. Their language, Tamazight, is now officially recognized, a triumph for cultural pride. Far to the south, the Tuareg, often called the Blue Men of the Desert for their indigo robes, roam the Sahara. They are traders, poets, and guardians of desert traditions, carrying stories in their songs and maps in their memories. Algeria's diversity also includes smaller communities. The Haratin, descendants of sub-Saharan Africans, the Gnawa of their spiritual music, and even remnants of Jewish and Pied Noir heritage from Algeria's long history. Each leaves behind threads woven into the Algerian fabric. In Algeria, identity is not one voice, but a chorus. Arab, Berber, Tuareg, Aratin, and more, different yet deeply connected. This is Algeria's strength, diversity, not as division, but as heart of its culture.